Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. What did you want on your nails today? Any special occasion?
I'm getting married tomorrow.
Oh, I'm excited for you. Yay, I get to do your wedding nails.
Yes, so I want something glamorous and beautiful and shimmering.
Okay. Do you have any like particular color you want, like a theme that you want to go with?
Elegant?
Yeah, I like okay. Something kind of like a white, soft white, like a cum white.
I think that'll work.
Yeah. You want the cum white?
Sure.
All right. Let me go ahead and prep your manicure and we'll polish at the end, okay?
Okay.
Awesome. Or
I mean, the shape and everything is great, but what happened here?
you know, I just accidentally cut you a little bit. That should go away. You know, it's not gonna damage anything. You okay with that? What's wrong? How do you like your nails?
That's a problem.
You know what? Yeah, I apologize for cutting you, but it should be okay. Look, I mean, a couple more days when you wash your hand, it's gonna go away. So don't worry about it. But it looks good, right?
No. I don't have a couple more days. Tomorrow's my wedding.
Yeah, by the time you get home, it should be all right. I mean
I'm
that.
not gonna have my Hingle thumb in my wedding photos looking like this. Like this is like my glam hand. Like I want to be able to show off my new bling. Like this doesn't look right.
It was an accident. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, but
I think this is really gonna throw off the vibe and the colors that I have. It's gonna be really distracting. We may need to go in a new direction.
well, I have another appointment coming in, and if you want to come back later, I can fix it for you.
Well, my wedding's tomorrow, and I have plans tonight because I have my rehearsal.
Well, when are you available? Like, I'll come in at 5 in the morning tomorrow.
That works. 5 a.m. works. I could be here.
You want to come in at 5 in the
Yeah.
morning tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I'll book you down, and I'll come here and make a special trip for you. And but what do you really want?
I want a better color, one that is gonna hide this. I just can't have this sticking out like a sore thumb in my wedding photos. And then on top of it, I just don't know if this is gonna really vibe with the theme of the colors that I've picked. My wedding's really important.
I know it is. I'm sorry. I mean, I'll make it up to you. You know, I'll fix it tomorrow for you.
Okay, I'll see you at 5.
You got it. Thank you. Sit down. Have a seat. I got you something, by the way. Just to apologize, you know, about yesterday. There you go. But
Thank you.
no problem. Anything you want me to fix for your nails? Your wedding's today, right?
Yeah.
Oh man. Okay. So what do you want?
So this didn't go away. You were saying it would heal and the color would go away?
It's still a little bit bloody.
Yeah. So I kind of talked with my bridal party, and this color is not going to work anymore. I need to do a brighter color to camouflage this. I just don't know what to do because I wasn't expecting to have to do any bright colors to hide it. And the theme of my wedding colors are all like light pastels.
Okay. Well, do you want? Go ahead and just put like a white over it, or
No, I need a bright color
okay.
to camouflage the red.
You want a red in?
Well, does it have to be like bright red? Like what kind of reds you got?
What's wrong?
I don't like it. This is horrible.
I don't even know what to do anymore.
I'm so disappointed. This just totally ruined my wedding. Like, you're killing my photos.
I don't think the camera's gonna capture your nails like 100%. I mean, it's gonna focus more on your dress and all that, but
I just don't want to do this no more. I need to figure something out.
Hi, how can I help you?
Are you Min?
Yes, I am. What can I do for you?
Yes, I need to talk to you. I am the maid of honor on those wedding nails that you ruined.
Yeah, what about it?
So instead of me, having a great day with my sister on her wedding day, She was an emotional wreck. We got press-on nails. Instead of carrying around tissue for her, I'm carrying around glue.
God. So why are you here? What do you want me to do?
Because I'm going to need you to remedy this situation.
I asked her to come in for a fix, and she didn't know what she wanted. So we spent like hours to design it, and she decided to walk out. So it's not my fault. I put in the effort to fix her nails.
Yes, but if you mess them up once, what are the odds of you making them better the second time?
Well, you know, it was an accident cut. I didn't mean to cut her on purpose. And I did tell her that it's going to be all right. She wash her hand.
So here's what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
You have the whole bridal party come in and we get nails on you, or you pay for the wedding pictures because the photographer had such a hard time taking good pictures because she was so upset.
What the hell? Photographer has nothing to do with the nails. What's wrong with you?
That's what I think.
You know what?
You're responsible for that.
Get out of here.
Excuse me.
Ma'am, we're closed. How can I help you?
You injured my daughter on the day before her wedding. Do you remember that person?
I just gave her a little cut on her finger, right?
Well, it wasn't a little cut.
Why are you here?
I think you need to make it right.
How do you want me to make it right?
Well,
the wedding's like a couple weeks ago, right? I mean, didn't you have the wedding ready?
we did, but we just got the pictures back, and it shows where you cut her. It's devastating.
Well,
to
that's
her.
your photographers, not me. Any photographer can blur out the cut. I don't know why your photographer did not do that.
No. I think if nothing else, you just need to listen and not talk. I had a beautiful wedding. Everything went wonderful. She didn't. These pictures came, and she is just devastated. That word devastated means so much to me that she has to go through this and see these pictures. So I think the way you can make it right, you pay for the photographer. Don't make that face.
Are you guys crazy?
No, we're not crazy.
Pay for the photographer over a set of nails?
For a cut.
You
on her
are lucky
finger.
your daughter even got married. She's not even that good looking.
Well, that's not nice of you.
With her attitude and everything?
Are you hearing your attitude?
No. Are you hearing yourself talking? You're a mom and you're coming demanding for me to pay for the photographer? Get out of here!
Hey, how's it going?
Oh my God. I'm not gonna pay for your photographer. Okay? I don't care what you say. I'm over about your wedding nails. Okay?
I'm not here for that. I'm sorry.
What are you here for?
I want to make peace with the situation and for everything that's going on. And I'm hoping the two of us can make a peace offering and put this to rest.
Okay. Your mom was here a couple days ago demanding for me to like pay for your photographer. So I don't know what are you lying with me? What's wrong with you?
No, I'm not lying to you.
Okay. So how you want to make peace?
I just want to put this to rest, and I don't want any problems on either one of our sides going forward.
Okay. Why are you being nice to me?
Because I would like you to be nice to me in return.
I always been nice to you.
Well, you made a comment
What comment?
that I'm not that pretty or good looking.
I was very upset, so I had to say that stuff out to your mom.
Well, what ended up happening was a lot of people started to take notice of my appearance, and now they're all agreeing with you.
Oh, so that you're ugly?
Yeah.
Well, I'm sorry. If you just change your attitude, then you wouldn't be like that. But I didn't mean it in a bad way, you know. But you are pretty lucky that you got married.
That's the hard part. Now that my new spouse has seen those comments, and both my friends and his friends are telling him, well, the nail tech was kind of right. She's not that good looking. I don't know that this marriage is going to last.
What's that has to do with me?
Well, I was kind of hoping that maybe you could talk to him a little bit and just say that, you were upset with me.
And tell him what? That you're not good looking? Or that I was lying that you're not good looking?
Yes.
But that would go against my religion. I don't lie. I cannot go against my religion and tell somebody that you're pretty and you're not. I mean, I'm sorry.
Well, Well, you don't have
That's-
to say I'm pretty, but I mean, you don't have to point out the fact that I'm not that good looking.
Well, so you want me to go and talk to your husband?
Yes.
That's gonna cost you.
I'm willing to pay for your time, so what's your price?
Well, I do charge $100 an hour for
Done.
my time. Yeah?
Yeah.
So you want me to go talk to your husband?
Yeah.
Just to tell him that you look alright?
Yeah.
Alright. Deal.
Deal.